CFA Level 1, February 2025, with just 2 days left for your exam, this video is a must watch for you. Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. My name is Tanishka and I hope you all are doing good. Today's video is especially for my CFA Level 1 February 2025 candidates. It's something that I have gone through because I've been in your shoes once upon a time, and that's why I know this video is very important for you. So make sure you stay till the very end. Don't worry, I won't keep it that long. Let's get straight into it. But before that, if you're new to this channel, then please take 1 second to hit the subscribe button. If you ever like my work even a tiny bit, then please join the community by subscribing to the channel, and while you're at it, do not forget to hit the bell icon so that you're notified every time I post a new video. And for the very kind people who have already joined the channel, thank you so much. I hope we stay together till the end of time. Whew, CFA Level 1 people, I know at this moment, at this point, there are a million things that are going in your head. सबसे common thought भी बता देती हूँ. It is गलती कर दिया. Oh my god, I think I made a mistake. I should have deferred the exam. I'm not ready. My accuracy is so low. Maybe I'm doing the wrong thing. Yeah, I'll just defer the exam. I'm just not ready. You're going through this, right? I am so confident. And I am confident because I know that this feeling now, I feel I'm not ready. I feel I should defer. It's a feeling that never goes. It's gonna stay with you in your next attempt. It's gonna stay with you even if you defer your exam, because that's how the exam is designed. That level of anxiety, that level of fear is always gonna be there, that level of nervousness, because obviously, you know, the amount of things you have put at stake, the amount of things you have sacrificed, the silent tears that you have shed that nobody has seen, it plays a role, right? The financial sacrifices or the burden that you or possibly your family has put, nobody knows that pain. So that nervousness, that anxiety stems from there, and it is very normal, right? It is highly understandable. And that's why I always say ki yaar, the CFA exam, the fact that you're giving the exam itself shows that you have a lot of courage, because not everybody has the guts to face all these sacrifices, to make all these sacrifices. So the one thing I would say is ki agar you have decided now that it is 2 days left that you are not going to defer the exam and you're going to go forward with it, then stick with your decision. The one thing this exam should teach you is how to stick with the decision. Whether it is right, whether it is wrong, put time aane pe we'll find out. You cannot judge that today, right? But can you learn to, I have decided I'll give it, so now I'll give it and I'll go forward with it. That is a skill, my friend, that will take you places and places, believe me. Yes, of course, किसी को कोई emergency आ जाए, you fall sick, somebody in your family falls sick, that's a different story. तब तो please utilize the defer option. But other than that, at this point, if you have decided to stick through till now, then try to stick through as much as possible. The final call is always yours. I also want to say that this batch particularly is very special for me, because this is the first batch where I started my customized CFA study plans. If you guys are not aware, then I do customize study plans for CFA exams. I have an 8-week plan, I have a 16-week plan, and a 24-week plan as well. And the Feb 2025 people were the first batch who had enrolled with me. So obviously it is extremely special. All of you are extremely special to me, and I really wish that all of you succeed in whatever way. मतलब एक I had seen a movie, गुंजन सक्सेना, I think आप लोगों ने भी देखी होगी, it's on Netflix. उसमें एक डायलॉग है which पंकज त्रिपाठी says, and it is so beautiful, where he says कि जो लोग मेहनत का साथ नहीं छोड़ते ना, किस्मत उनका साथ कभी नहीं छोड़ती. So as long as you worked hard, as long as you have given your best, you're in a good zone. And when I say your best, I mean your best. Please don't try to compare your best with somebody else's best. It makes no sense. Don't try to compare your best with the best that is expected, that oh, they said if only I solve every question, if only I do every mock, only then will I pass. ऐसे नहीं होता guys, ऐसे बिल्कुल नहीं होता. Please understand the circumstance you were, understand the situations you had in hand, and उस basis पे decide करो, did you give your best. Some of you would be like, यार मैंने तो थोड़ा time भी waste कर लिया. I think I was procrastinating, I was doing time pass, I was doing overthinking. It's okay. It's a normal human tendency. The fact that you have accepted it is a big thing. गलती कर ली, उसको accept कर लिया, and still उस गलती के बावजूद, while doing that mistake, could you do whatever best you could do in the limited time, limited resources? That also is a big deal. So in case nobody's told you, I am proud of you for doing your best, not the general best that everybody expects out of you, because that never makes sense to me. Now, before I end, obviously, some last minute quick tips. So, in the last 2 days, please do not bother to study something new. Don't bother to study much only, I would say. I would say the best thing you can do is 2 days before, give one full mock. It's like a wholesome revision. And ek din pehle, just go through your formulas, just go through your notes, nothing else. Literally nothing else. On the exam day, make sure, as long as you're not diabetic and this will not kill you in any form, have a chocolate, a complete chocolate before the exam. AM session se pehle bhi, PM session se pehle bhi, it works like magic. Why? I'll tell you 2 reasons. You will not realize, but then by that day, you will be so mentally drained that this chocolate will actually perk you up. It'll give you that sugar rush. And there's a reason sugar is not very good for us in excess, because sugar rush hota hai and sugar rush jaldi die down karta hai in like 1.5 hours or so. Therefore, you need to refuel before every attempt because you need that instant energy. Also, at that point of time, you'll obviously be very anxious and nervous, and chocolate particularly has a very calming effect. The calmer your mind, the higher your chances of success. Number 2, please make sure before your exam, have like this 30-second conversation with yourself before entering the final hall. Close your eyes, ask yourself, Tani, did I do my best in whatever way I could? You know, at that point of time when you're only talking to yourself, you know कि अब इसके आगे तो बस exam देना है, it's the next step. You will not lie. Your inner voice will not lie. It will either be a yes or a no. If it's a yes, tell yourself. Think as if you're another person and have a conversation. Tell yourself, great, I'm very proud of you now. Let's just keep up with the hard work. Let's go complete the last step. Jo hoga, we'll face it together. This is what I wanted from you. Now I don't care what happens. Have that conversation. In case you say, no, Tani, I think I could have done better. Yeah, it's fine. You can have that answer. Have that acceptance there and then. Tell yourself, it's okay. I know we could have done better. I understand we made a mistake, but we are not gonna leave now. We still have one step to complete. We're gonna try our best to push till the finish line. We're gonna accept what we did wrong and we're gonna face whatever happens together, but only after completing the fight. This 30-second, 1-minute conversation is a game changer. It will completely balance out your mind. You will not have any overconfidence, you will not have any underconfidence, because whatever it is, you have accepted it before the exam. You've removed to a certain extent your burden, your tensions, and that really helps, believe me. So try to have this conversation. And yes, I think at this point of time, there is no extra tips or anything that I want to give you. It's just live the moment. Not everybody gets a chance to do what you're doing. Not everybody has the guts to do what you're doing. So please feel extremely proud of yourself. Feel extremely happy for what you've done. For whatever reason, if you had to defer the exam, it's okay. It happens. Sometimes life comes in the way and you just have to deal with the cards that you were given, right? And no matter what it is, it doesn't make you any less than anybody. It's fine. And for the people who are giving the exam right now, before I end this video, just one last time, all the best, all the very, very best. I am so proud of you already. Yes, because like I said, I know what it takes to be in the place that you're standing, let alone the result point. Therefore, I am so proud of you, and my best wishes, my best vibes are always with each and every one of you. Every single person who is a part of this channel means the world to me, and I'm always constantly thinking about you guys, constantly wanting the best for you guys. कुछ नाम तो मुझे याद हैं कुछ subscribers के. So some people I know who are giving the exam in Feb because they are constant subscribers. So them and everybody else also. Just wishing you all the very best. Have faith in whatever higher source you believe in, God, universe, destiny. Have faith that whatever happens or whatever will happen will be the best thing that can happen for you. And now I said that I'm not going to keep this video long. Like in 10 minutes almost touch hone wala hai, so I'll quickly run away. Anyways, my hair is not behaving nicely. So I'll end the video. If you like it, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. And I'll see you guys very, very soon. Until then, keep sparkling and definitely keep learning.